National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Independence County in eastern Arkansas, Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, and Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado was spotted near Bay or 10 miles southwest of Truman, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and baseball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Truman, Bay, Jonesboro, Lake City, Paragould, Pocahontas, and Kennett. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties in Arkansas: Independence County, Jackson County, Craighead County, and Poinsett County.